In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your cursor back on Windows 11 in just a few minutes. Losing your cursor can be frustrating, but don't worry, these steps should help you get back on track quickly and easily. First, we'll start with refreshing your display drivers. To do this, press the Windows, Control, Shift, and B keys together on your keyboard. You might notice the screen flashing briefly when you do this. That's perfectly normal and usually indicates that the command worked. This operation is a quick way to refresh the connection between your display and Windows, which is often enough to bring your cursor back. If refreshing the drivers hasn't helped, try pressing the Control, Alt, and Delete keys simultaneously. This will take you to the Security Options screen. Check if your cursor reappears here. If you spot it, just press the Escape key to exit and return to your desktop. Sometimes, toggling this screen resets your cursor visibility, making it appear again on the desktop. Next, it might seem simple, but restarting your computer can resolve many temporary glitches, including cursor disappearance. A restart clears any minor bugs or conflicts that might be causing issues with your cursor. If the issue persists, we'll need to delve a bit deeper by using the Device Manager. Start by pressing the Windows key and R together to bring up the Run dialog box. Type in divimgmt.msc and press Enter. This opens the Device Manager. From here, use the down arrow key to navigate to mice and other pointing devices. Once you're there, press the right arrow key to expand the list, revealing your connected mouse or touchpad. Now, with your pointing device selected, press Shift and F10 together to open the context menu. Move down to Update Driver using the arrow keys and press Enter to start updating the driver. Follow the on-screen instructions and see if this resolves the issue. It's important that your drivers are up to date to ensure your hardware works smoothly with Windows 11. If updating doesn't work, try uninstalling the device. Return to the context menu with Shift and F10, and then use the arrow keys to select Uninstall Device. Hit Enter and confirm any prompts. After uninstalling, go ahead and restart your computer. Don't worry about permanently losing your device. Windows will automatically detect and reinstall the necessary driver when it boots up again, and there you have it. By following these steps, you should have restored your cursor on Windows 11. If you continue to experience issues, it might be worth checking your hardware connections or considering alternate devices to troubleshoot further. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you.